Hello there, here we are in a short content of mine. So, what if we are busy all the time, makalimutan natin yung mga nature sa around us. So, today, Sunday, I had a chance to enjoy what's around me. Fresh airs, inhale through different season coming up. So, ito yung mga plant na nasa bahay namin outside the house. So, it's very relaxing, lalo na kapag you are so busy. So, it's also good to relax sa labas ng bahay. So, I did that today. So, share ko sa inyo itong mga ito. Ito yung mga green leaves, mga tanim namin sa bahay, mga bulaklak namin sa bahay. So, I just enjoy the way wind blows and everything else. So, ito na. At saka nagpupunta ako sa anak namin bahay nila kasi we're doing something moving stuff around. So this is how I enjoy life, my day as Sunday. So hopefully